Morning. How is your day today? I just want to say hi and how is your day? And I hope all is well and good health always. Remember, health is wealth. Don't forget to take good care of yourself. Prioritize your health and watch out your diet and have exercise, especially when you are 40 and above. That's the time that we need to control our diet, prioritize our diet because of our body is, there's so many. That's the time that the any different kind of sickness will come out in our body. If we want to live long, we have to prioritize our health and watch out our diet. Me, I want to live until 85 to between 80 to 90 years old. That's because my parents, they died early age. If I can reach that age, it means it's a bonus. It's already bonus for me because my dad died when he was 47. My mom died when she was 56. So, and I already 48, more than 48. So my age is I reached the age of my dad more than because my dad died at 47. That's all, guys. I just want to say good evening. Have a good night's sleep and sweet dreams, everyone. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.